You got your coupon stuff, Mom.
What?
You got all your coupon stuff. I think you're the smartest couponer, Mom, because you get all this stuff for free. Try that today. You know they actually have a Hello Kitty toilet paper that has her face on it, and it's from Japan, and it's like $18 for 4 rolls.
Oh,
I am so tempted to buy it because I'm like a friggin' Hello Kitty, you know?
That's crazy.
That is crazy.
Yeah.
But this is your favorite, right? The Neutrogena makeup wipes? Now something I have noticed is that it starts to pucker after, because these are about a year old, but they pucker. Usually in the summertime around July, these are free. Neutrogena always has some sort of special, so, and this is like hands down the best makeup wipe. I just really hope, Mom, that you don't use this, the deodorant wipes, as your makeup wipe, because it looks the same, eh?
Nice.
So what do you think of your new toilet paper? You like it, Mom? Is that nice?
This is underarm.
Yeah, so like in the summertime if you're sweating, you just put a bit of that on. It's a deodorant wipe, so that's a new product by Dove. And Secret also released the exact same product.
Up here because I
Oh, your makeup wipes?
yeah, usually I put it in that container.
Yeah, to keep it wet. You can always throw in water if it starts to dry out.
The things
Yeah.
to liquid, you
Yeah,
know. I
yeah.
just put a little bit in.
And then you got all that toothpaste, Mom. Do you feel rich?
I'm very rich.
I'm gonna leave you these bags. I got them from the Dollar General. They're just, I don't know, because I know you have to pay for bags up here in Canada. I thought maybe you could, what do you think?
Yeah.
I don't know, Mom. It's not the best quality, but I thought maybe you could.
Nice.
And this one's so cute though, eh? Hello Kitty.
Those I keep it up here.
Yeah, it's your lunch for the next couple days, Mom. Oh, the unpacking. But yeah, everything comes in these little packages, eh? It's very confusing. Hey guys, it's Running Kimono, so happy Easter to all of you. I'm not sure when I'm going to post this, but hope you're all having a really fun and safe Easter. If you decide to take some time off and spend time with family instead of getting out there and tearing up some coupon deals, that's totally awesome, because I think there's a lot more to life than just getting deals. I think a lot of us get really, like, you know, swept up in it and we just want to get deals, 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 but it is okay to spend a day with your family, and that's what I'm doing this weekend. So I thought, because my mom is the original stockpiler, we would just do a quick tour of her basement. I know a lot of you love stockpile tours, and I'm just going to show you some of the stuff she buys and then some of the stuff I give to her. Now, for the most part, all of these paper products, and there is a lot, she buys all of them when they're on sale here. And because if I would fill up my car with nothing but toilet paper, paper towels, I mean, I wouldn't have any room left, because that stuff really takes up a lot of space. And a couple of the goofy little brands here in Canada, sponge towels, I don't think there is that, or the Optima 800, we don't have that. And then this Kleenex is called Royale, but, you know, anyhow, so she puts them on top of these big totes. So if there's ever a flood, all the paper is secure, and that's really smart, because she gets a ton of snow near the house, and when it starts melting, you know, it's just, it can be a real pain in the, you know what. So, more of her stuff. I always bring her these, I always think that this is the most helpful stuff, but she never really uses it. I think she just uses containers, which is like probably better for the environment if you think about it. This is a really funny story. I think my mom's had this box of Kleenex since like the 80s. I remember it when I was a little kid. She paid 69 cents for it back in the day. This is a really old box of Kleenex. It says 1992. Oh my god, this is really old. She has a lot of food down here too. And water. And why she has so much water is sometimes because it is so cold up here. The pipes for the plumbing for the city, it can actually freeze. So, like, this is her basement window, and like, look at the snow. It's still pretty thick. So, yeah. So, yeah, that's her pantry. Always stuff, like, in case she gets snowed in. She has, like, you know, some food and that sort of thing. And she's the original prepper. The original lady who gets everything done. As I said, her cat passed, and this is like a lot of kitty litter, so we're probably going to bring this all home with us. Just get it off of her hands, because this is a lot of kitty litter, like a ton. So And then this is a lot of stuff I've been, you know, getting for her over the years, just to give you a quick little... This is just an old baby crib down there for toys, like for a little girl to play with. What I used to play with when I was a kid. So all this good stuff. And she uses it very sparingly. And then I don't even know if this does it justice, but that goes back like, I think probably like 6 deep per row. And what I try not to do is to go in and rearrange stuff, because with her especially, she needs to know where everything is. And if I'm in there like moving stuff around, it's just harder for her to see what's there. So, a lot of man stuff too. Shaving cream. And you know, this is how she wants it organized. I would personally do it differently, but this is how she wants it organized. So I have to just kind of respect that, you know? Got these for free, I think, last year over at Meijer. Oh, she has a whole bunch of masks. And then in here, I think she has a bunch of toothpaste. That's one of the elusive hand soaps, because she couldn't find any of her hand soap. Right here, all together. Then this little guy I'm going to put over here. And then here, just some toothbrushes. And this goes pretty deep. Denture cleaner. She just uses stuff so sparingly. But it's always good to see what she has, because then I have an idea of what I need to bring her. And as I suspected, because she's like, I need more deodorant. And she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She has more than me. So these are all sensitive. So these are the ones that she needs. My goodness, she has a lot. Okay, so mystery solved. There's all of her deodorant. There's what else is back there. It's all shaving cream, because she doesn't use this much shaving cream. And I don't know why I stocked her up this much. Oh, look. Got some hidden hand soaps. She needs another shelf. Maybe we'll go get her a shelf today, because this is crazy. She probably doesn't want one though. Okay. Okay, we found some more hand soap. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I feel like 15. I should probably take a couple of these back. So, yep, that is her. I know she doesn't like this liquid hand soap, so I'm probably going to bring that home with me. Woo! All dish soap. Man, that's really heavy. Okay, so I'm going to do a bit of cleaning, and then I'm going to come back. I don't even know if this shows much difference, but I just kind of went through some stuff, because I did find some of her hand soaps, and they were like lost back in there. And then she was like, I don't have any makeup wipes. I don't have any makeup wipes. And look at this. So we have 7, and then I gave her all those new ones. So she has more makeup wipes than me. So we're going to find a home for this. But like sometimes it's just really good, especially with my mom, because she doesn't remember what she has, for me to actually go through this to see what's there. And there was a couple tubes of really expired toothpaste. So I'm absolutely throwing them in the garbage, because I sent her, I actually gave her 9 new ones, so she doesn't need the old stuff. So anyhow, I did go through this, and it is somewhat a little bit more organized, even though it doesn't look very organized. And yeah, so that is what I did. I don't know if I did it very successfully, but it's done. Okay, so this is my mom's basement, and everything's in these totes in case of a flood or mice or anything like that. And her beautiful washer and dryer. Be jealous. I'm just joking. And then some of the stuff I've given her over the years. And her water's always running in case of like the ground freezing, so the water will just keep flowing. And all stuff I've given her over the years. Man, she has a lot of stuff. More than me. Look at those giant fabric softeners. And more pods, because she really likes these Tide pods. You should probably fill those in there. I'm probably going to do that in a quick second. And yeah, just remember these from the Dollar General. She still hasn't used them, so a lot of stuff. The one thing she does use a ton of though is hand soap, like a ton of it. So there was only 4 left, so everything I brought her was totally worth it. And why I bought this container a while back, I think it was in 2014, like I've been couponing forever. There was some sort of a coupon for Tide Pods, and it was like, it was $2 off of anything, and there was like a 5-pack at Walmart. So I got like, I don't know, I think I got like maybe like 50 or 100 of those bags, and there was just so many that I needed to fill it up with, like, in a container instead of having like all these little bags. And I don't even think Tide makes the 5-counts anymore. So I'm just gonna try and fill these up. I think that might do it. I'm always about trying to get less clutter and stuff, trying to declutter everything. Okay, let's try for another bag, shall we? Get in there. Barely. So I'm going to leave this bag with a couple of them right here so she can use them. Drive her crazy. Ta-da! There it is. And it's just like a house for all those Tide Pods. Couponing in Canada. I know a lot of you are very curious about the prices and how things work over here, and they have the same inserts as us. They have the P&G, Retail Me Not, and Smart Source. My mom gets this free one to her home, and I thought it'd be fun to look at it. These coupons are only valid in Canada. You can't use them in the US because the processing center, I think, is in St. John's. So we'll just take a look at this, and that's the company, Canada. First coupon that we see is for a free diabetic meter. So like, imagine that, just bringing it to a pharmacy and getting something totally for free. I mean, it's pretty nice. Dental toothbrush, $15 off. So the coupons are drastically a lot more because everything is like between 2 to 3 times more in price. So I know a couple of you have relatives in Canada, and a lot of you, you know, bring a lot of stuff over the border, and you can do that. You just have to disclose it at customs. I think you can't bring like pet food is really weird. You're not allowed to. I think you're not allowed to bring like fresh food, produce, like a plant, that sort of stuff, but everything else pretty much. And I always declare like, you know, $100, but like $100 with coupons, it's pretty much what I'm bringing over. It's always more, but the retail value of what it paid, if they really wanted to get down to the brass tacks. This is a 5 off of 2 for the Love Beauty Planet. Unilever Canada. Where is the processing center? It's probably written there in the fine print. This coupon is valid till the end of September, so their coupons are a lot more and they're valid for a lot longer. Like, that is crazy. We have $2 off for these Dental Life. Imagine that at the Dollar General. And look at the barcode, how funny it is compared to ours. And this is one of the major pharmacies. It's called Shoppers Drug Mart, and this is a Canada-only product. So they say. Some of these brooms. Toronto Blue Jays watch. A lot of filler in this one. And the final coupon is for this Uncle Ben's buy 2 get 1 for free, and this is valid till October the 13th of 2019. Like, wouldn't that be nice to buy inserts and they're valid that long? In the US, it's typically like less than a month, but like, that's a really good one. So anyhow, I just thought it would be kind of funny to look at this. Again, these coupons, you can't use them in the US. You can only use them in Canada because the processing center... I'm trying to find the processing center. It's written in the fine print, but it's somewhere in the Maritimes, and they send them there to get processed. So, and typically, whenever I have used a coupon in Canada, the cashier has to manually enter it in. They don't even scan the barcode. It's not like the U.S. So, anyhow, I just know a lot of you would probably be curious about this. So, there you have it.